Keep my shorty tryna go. Got that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it none of these niggas no more. If we having the feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this is another glueless wig install. Actually, I did use some hairspray on this wig, but apart from that, I didn't really do much to this wig. I didn't have to curl, I didn't have to straighten, I didn't have to do anything, to be honest, because like, what can you do to this wig? The texture of this wig is not straight, it's not curly, it's not like wavy where I could say, okay, I could wet it up. I don't know. But anyways, this is the hair that I got. I don't remember the texture of this hair and what it is called, but like always, it will be down in the description box. Before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what Luvmehair, if I did not mention that they're the sponsor of this video. Let me show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So in the package, they sent me their edge brush, their rat tail comb, which I love because this part, I like when the rat tail comb is very thin. It makes my parts a little bit cleaner, so I love this for me. They also sent me some stocking cap, and you know everybody's using a new HD wig cap. They send that inside the package, so if someone's supposed to install your wig, or if you are supposed to install a wig, you're getting the best stocking cap ever. They also sent me some headband to use when I'm like molding my wig down, the bag to put the wig in, and also their information card. Like I said, this wig, I don't remember the texture of this wig, but it was a glueless wig, and literally it probably took me like 10 minutes, not even, to put on my head, because the only thing that I had to do was my baby hair. That's the only form of work, I should say. But apart from that, nothing. I didn't do anything to it. I literally just put it on my head, pluck it a little bit. I didn't even bleach it. I just pluck a little bit. And because there's not much lace at the front, there's not much plucking to do. So it's literally one of the easiest wigs to put on. Not much to do with it. You don't need to curl it. You don't need to straighten it. You don't need to wet it. Maybe just rub some oils in it like when it's getting dry, but for now it's literally 1-2, literally. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
On the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. I wish you away. Really only want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post. And do not forget to leave all your comments down below. Until next time. Bye.